Hey, it's Fred Staub for Cruise Control Motoring at the New York Auto Show, the Ford booth. We are checking out the new Ford Explorer Tremor. Capable off-roader, even has the active lifestyle signal right on top, those kayaks.
We are standing in front of the new 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor. We're super excited for this vehicle. It is the latest Tremor to roll out from Ford. We're super excited for it. Explorer has always had a level of off-road ruggedness. When you add the Tremor brand to this, it just takes it to another level of serious capability.
And of course, you have the active lifestyle indicator on top, the kayaks.
We're trying to lead folks in the right direction.
Exactly. So that's been kind of a trend of manufacturers and Ford as well, kind of ruggedizing vehicles. You know?
We like to, at Ford, we like to say that we are one of, if not the first, to go down this road. Tremor has existed for quite a while now, and obviously we have Raptor, which is very well defined, and we're looking to do the same thing with Tremor. This is just the second utility to have the Tremor nameplate, so the Tremor brand. We started with Expedition last year. We introduced the 2025 Expedition Tremor, and we followed that quickly with the 2026 Explorer Tremor. So you can think of Tremor as, it is a step up from anything that we've had before, especially like 4x4. And the idea is that we really want to have an off-road offering for every customer, no matter if you are an off-road enthusiast who wants to go and jump Raptors, or if you're someone who needs a vehicle for the everyday but loves to get out and explore on your weekends, Tremor's for you.
Yeah. And this replaces the Timberline, right?
It does, yes. It replaces the Timberline. This is not just like a brand swap. This is actually a step up from what we did with Timberline. One thing you'll note with Explorer, under the hood, we have the same engine that you get in the Explorer ST. It's a twin-turbo V6 engine, 400 horsepower. It's got all the power you need. We call it the most powerful off-road capable Explorer we've ever made.
Wow. And yeah, that's the key thing here for people to realize. This is not just some appearance package or whatever.
No.
There's a lot of good stuff.
By no means, this is not an appearance package. The first thing you notice here, we're trying to really make our brands feel very cohesive. So on any Tremor, you will find this electric spice, yellow, orange kind of accent here. And what you'll note is that everywhere you see that orange accent, it denotes utility. So here, they kind of underpin our auxiliary lights there. So you can pull those off and use them when you're off-roading. Down here towards the bottom, we have our tow hooks that will help get you or your friend out of any kind of sticky situation you might find when you're off the beaten path. And then as you walk around, you'll find that same color down here in the wheel pockets. And the idea is that when you're off-roading, you're going through mud, you're going through sand, your wheels are going to get very tired. When you need to air up or air down, that yellow will help you know exactly where you need to air up.
And it looks cool too when it's
going around. It looks
fantastic.
That helps a lot.
How about on the inside?
On the interior, you have a completely exclusive Tremor interior. First thing you'll notice is that beautiful orange stitching on the seats. You have Tremor branded seats as well, and what we wanted to make sure that, especially for Explorer, it's such a technological vehicle. It has a ton of really user-friendly technology, and we didn't want to sub that out for off-road capability. So you have the best of both worlds. You have off-road refinement, and you also have interior creature comfort. So the seats are heating, ventilated, and massaging. So that way you can be a little less stressed when you're going off-road. The Explorer was the first vehicle within the Ford lineup to have the Ford Digital Experience. So it's a Google-based platform and software, so you can download games, you can watch YouTube, watch TV in the vehicle. So there's a ton of technology baked in. And again, that's just the idea is that you're using this for your everyday. You know, you're running to the grocery store, you're picking up kids in this vehicle. We want you to be comfortable. And then we know that more and more people are going off-road. We know that Explorer customers specifically are using this vehicle in a number of different ways. They fish more, they camp more, they tow more. So we wanted to make sure we had an offering that would make them feel confident when they're doing those extracurriculars.
What can it tow?
It tows 5,000.
Wow, that's great. Mm-hmm. That's great. And what is it, an inch lift over the standard Explorer?
That's right, it's a 1-inch lift. It's an off-road tuned suspension, and we also have metal skid plates throughout the underbody.
And one thing to remember, I mean, it's engineered by Ford engineers, so that
Yes, sir.
means, the aftermarket stuff's great, but this has to go 100,000 miles or more.
Off the line, it's made to be used.
Right. Very, very good. Availability of this, when will this be on sale?
This is available right now.
Okay.
You can go to your dealer and get it today.
Okay. And is it a special edition, only limited, or is it?
No, this is a part of the Explorer family and series. You can get it goes up from active to platinum, ST, and Tremor.
Yeah, there's a lot of models and a lot of trim ranges in Explorer, which is pretty unique these days.
Yeah, but what we find is that wherever you land in your vehicle search, we have an Explorer for you. If you're looking for something that's more bare bones and basic, we have active. It's more affordable. If you're looking for something that has high speed performance, we have ST, which is a fan favorite. Absolutely love ST. And if you want something that has just as much, if not more performance, and that off-road capability, you have Tremor.
All right, good deal. What is the color called? Unique?
Oh, this color is unique to 2026. It is called Marsh Gray Metallic. It's kind of like a greenish brown color. It looks phenomenal on Tremor, and honestly, it looks great on ST as well.
All right, good deal. Thanks for watching. We've got plenty more reveals and automotive news on the 2026 New York Auto Show playlist. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. For Cruise Control Motoring, I'm Fred Staub.